What's going on, everybody? We're back at it again. Midday crypto talks with your boy George. Listen, I just came back from doing a little bit of Ubering. You know what I'm saying? Making a little bit of money. Not too bad. It's not that busy. But enough of that. Let's get into some crypto. Now, I'm going to make this video nice and short because my last video was like 30 minutes long and nobody tuned in because nobody wants to look at a video for 30 minutes about charts, right? It's fucking boring, right? So let's make it a little bit more fun. Give me 1 second. My dog's barking. Okay, so we're back. All right, listen. Let's go into the live view and let's go look at some charts. So the first thing we're going to look at is XRP. The one thing that I can say is that we keep making lower lows and lower highs. I mean, right here, we haven't beat this high yet. We basically rejected again off of this area of resistance that was previously a support. But what we have on a higher time frame is bullish divergence from here to here. Okay, so on a daily chart and on a 4-hour chart, there is bullish divergence. Okay, let me go into the 4-hour just so you guys can get a little bit of a recap. There is bullish divergence. Now, that is a very good thing in the sense that if we continue with this trend of the bullish divergence, then we could potentially see a reversal and get out of this zone that we are currently in, the 20 cent zone, right? But right now could potentially be a good time to buy a little bit of your bags if you guys want to add to your positions. But, you know, it's up to you. Don't buy or sell because of what I say. Just buy or sell because of what you think personally, because you are the boss of your own self in these kinds of markets, okay? So, like I said, we have this level of support that broke, it became resistance, and little by little on the 4-hour chart, we are making higher highs and higher lows. So we got a low here, here's a higher high, here's a higher low, here's another higher high, and here we're making another higher low. So if we're on a pretty steep uptrend, if on the 4-hour we continue with this and we just go from here, from this upwards, and we go like this, okay? And we just go from here to here. Okay, so this could potentially be the next channel that we're going to be going into. So we could possibly see about 28 cents sometime mid January, right? It might take a little bit to get there. We might be bouncing around a lot, but we could potentially get into that area mid-January, right? If not, then we could continue and push down, right? If it breaks this little bit of a shorter time trend line. So this is about on the hourly chart. You see it a little bit better. This is a small trend that's kind of happening currently, okay? The dog's making weird noises. Sorry. So, quick little recap. 2 links in the description below. The first one is for Coinbase. When you click on the link, either if you're on mobile or if you're on a desktop, this is what you'll see. Enter your name, last name, first name, last name, email, choose a password, choose whatever state you're in. Make sure that you're above the age of 18. And when you sign up with my link down below, if you purchase or sell $100 or more worth of crypto, you'll receive $10 of free Bitcoin. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Cool. Second link is for a Ledger Nano X or S, whatever you prefer. Ledger Nano S is the little bit of a cheaper one, but right now the Ledger Nano X gives you free shipping. All right, so it's up to you guys if you guys decide to. This is just an offline storage wallet. It's super secure. You can also get a free wallet, Atomic Wallet, Exodus Wallet on your smartphone or Android. It's up to you. You don't have to do this. This is just a little bit of an advertisement. Back to the video. Cool. So back at this, we're in a little bit of a channel. We broke out a little bit, but we came back into the channel, and we're probably going to stay in this channel for a little bit of time. We could see potential breakouts kind of like this. As long as we continue bullish in this set of channel, eventually we will get to the previous resistance, and then we will be able to see what is going on. Longer term, if we break the resistance and make it a support again, that would be awesome. But you know, I'm just gonna declutter the chart real quick just so you guys can, you know, have a better view. This is just me and what I know is currently happening with the charts as we speak, okay? Let's go look at Bitcoin, because I saw that Bitcoin was at like a nice penny today. It rose. Bitcoin's at 28.8, okay? So Bitcoin beat these highs. So the pin bar didn't play out like I thought it was going to. Or what we could see, let's see, we saw this breakout right here. What we could see, since it made a newer high, this is just taking out all the stops of everybody who's day trading, right? So this could just be stop hunts, and then it's going to push down. But since it's a big engulfing candle like so, we will most likely definitely be hitting that 30K soon. So I'll admit I was wrong. It happens. You're right. You're wrong sometimes. It is what it is. That's what trading is, right? But Bitcoin, as of right now, let's just go into like the hourly chart. What we got going on is we did make this level of resistance a support now, and we did, if you lay it right there, this is a better example. We did break through, okay? So we could very well see $30,000-$40,000 within 2021. But you also got to remember there's this bearish divergence, okay, from here to here, from here to here. There's bearish divergence, all right, and we're losing buying power. So if there's more market makers that want to come in and they want to start buying this up just to beat the RSI, they would have to go up. I don't know how much of a percentage, but they would probably have to hit 32 to 35 to beat this RSI. Okay, so I'm still pretty bearish on it. I'm going to stay in the position that I'm in. I'm just going to wait for it to hit my stop losses. If it does hit my stop losses, then it is what it is. What am I going to do? I can't do nothing. You know what I'm saying? I just get stopped out. It is what it is, and, it continues to ride up. Now, let's go into VET. Because VET, my ladies and gentlemen, what we got going on with VET, let me go into a different chart because I think I had it on Binance. Binance, and it's charted up already. Cool. So VET right now, on a daily time frame, we have an hour and 45 minutes left on this candle. So I'll probably make an updated video later on tonight, probably around like 11, 12 once I get back home. We are breaking above the channel like we still were previously today. If you look at an hourly, if we look at it in an hourly perspective, we did make a level of support right here. So what could possibly happen is we could shoot back up into the 2-cent lane, and we can actually make this level right here, this weekly time frame, a new level of support for a weekly stand base, or a weekly database. You know what I'm saying? So if we continue on this trend of staying upwards with, right here, like if I just chart it out, if we stay bullish, then we could very well see 2 cents, and if we break all-time highs, we could very well get up to these 4, 5, 6 cent levels, right? The best case scenario is we get up to 15 cents, like the video I made the other day. Check that one out. Worst case scenario, we come down and we retest these levels right here, the 1.4, 1.2, and 0.08. All right, these 3 levels are, in my opinion, significant key levels. Yours could be different. This is just what I'm analyzing and what I'm thinking. But if we continue on this bullish uptrend, we could very well see 2 cents and above. Okay? That's just a little recap on VET. We're going to look at Zilliqa real quick, and then that'll be the end of the video. So Zilliqa, what we got going on, we had a rejection, and we did have a push up. So this could be a start of a cup and handle, and then push up, or a cup and handle and push down. We got to beat this high, though. Okay, if we don't beat this high and we find resistance somewhere in this area right here, which it looks like we might, then we could very well, on this triangle pattern, we could very well get into somewhere over here and then just dip and drop to maybe 6 cents, or the lowest case scenario, about 4 cents, which is what I'm thinking could be the next level of support that we could be hitting if it doesn't get supported right here or right here. It would be 4 cents. Now that's worst case scenario. Best case scenario, we beat here and we just continue driving up and we get up to about 20 cents. That's just speculation. I don't know if we actually will get up to 20 cents. That's just my opinion. But this is for Zilliqa. We had a fake out on Zilliqa on this one support level right here. If you see a major fake out, and then it came right back in, and then now it's pushing right back up. So that's the video for today, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna go back into Facecam. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, and you made it to the end of the video, leave a like. You know, smash it, tap it lightly. Just go boop, 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 you know, on your, you know, if you want to. You don't have to. It's up to you. Subscribe if you want to. Hit that bell notification so you know when I'm uploading any new videos, which I do frequently, as of lately. Could change. I could just go back to one video a day, one video every 2 weeks, which I'm probably not. I actually enjoy doing this. This is actually kind of fun. It's a hobby of mine. I am no way a financial advisor, so please do not buy or sell whether on whatever I'm speaking on. This is just my technical analysis, and I figured I'd share it with you guys in case you guys want a little bit more insight on what's going on with crypto currently, with the pairs that I am actually speaking on. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. You can crypto, commodities, metals, doesn't matter. I'll look at it and, you know, I'll give you my opinion on it. All right, that's it for today, guys. Have a good one.